Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another fall cozy vlog. We finally have fallish weather here in Texas, so like I'm wearing a sweater. I was able to wear a sweater today. So I was like, what better time to film a fall vlog? I really just needed to get my mind off of everything today. Yesterday was October 16th. If you know, you know. I'm not going to talk about it because I will cry again. But let's do a happy video. Happy things, happy hobbies, cozy hobbies. We have some reading to do. I want to do some coloring. I plan on baking. I bought everything to make some carrot cake and chocolate chip cookie. So we're gonna be doing that. I also want to crochet like a little, I've seen these pumpkin coasters online and I just thought they would be really cute. What else? I think that's all I can think about right now. So reading, crocheting, coloring, baking. Very fun day, cozy at home. So yeah, let's just hang out today. I have my coffee. I want to start this book and this vlog. In my last fall vlog, I was reading The Pumpkin Spice Cafe and I really enjoyed it. It was just like very fallish, very autumn vibes. So I think I'm gonna start this in this video just because it's just giving everything that it needs to give for fall. Had to grab my pen because I already found the quote that I like. First page, I could just tell that this character is going to be very relatable. Okay, putting on my apron because we're gonna start baking. I'm gonna start off with making the carrot cake, and then while that is in the oven, I'm gonna prepare the cookie dough and put it in the fridge. I'm not gonna bake the cookies right now just because I want them to be fresh when we eat them, but I am gonna bake the carrot cake so it can cool down and then I can ice it later. It's like 4:15 right now. I just got done with the baking. It literally took all day, but the cake is done. I put the frosting on it. It's all ready. My mom tried it. She rated it a 10. It's actually really good. I'll share the recipe that I used. I'll link it down below. We're gonna relax now. I'm gonna put on like a show or maybe some YouTube and we're gonna color. I have my Bobby Goods coloring books. Actually, I just placed an order yesterday for more. I've been wanting the fall winter book, but it's been sold out for like a year. She just did like a restock, so I got that, and I also got the newest book, which is called Day to Night. So now I'm gonna have them all. This is the this and that. I also have spring summer book. This is the one that I've mostly worked on. It's my first book. I'm not gonna do a full flip through, but this is just the book that I've most colored in. This is one of my favorite pages. I feel like the colors just look so cute together. This one's one of my favorites as well. There's still a lot that I have to do in this book, but I did start this. I did start the spring and summer. This is my first page actually. So we're gonna color this. This is what I'm currently working on. Let's color a bit of this while we relax. I made a little ACOTAR set on the bookshelf. I think that's cute. Should I make other book series? I'm not sure. We'll see. Okay, I also try to do Emily Henry's books. People We Meet on Vacation, Beach Read, Book Lovers, and Happy Place. So now we have some books, some cool books on here. I'm gonna think about what else I want to add. For now, this is what my page is looking like. I didn't do much, but honestly, I just want to sit down and read right now. I just took an everything shower. I just realized we haven't done our crochet. So let's do that right now. Okay, it's that point of the night where we get cozy. I made myself a cup of peppermint tea. I'm just gonna sit here. I'm gonna continue my white pumpkin. I'm gonna watch some YouTube. And then once I'm finished with that, I'm gonna move on to reading for the night. I finished my pumpkin. How cute. Look at that. I have to sew in the ends tomorrow. I just can't find my needle, like my crochet needle, so I have to look for that. And it is a little bit curled in, so I think I'm going to set it under some books overnight, and then hopefully tomorrow it will be like more stretched out. This is the end result of the crochet pumpkin that I made, and I think it just looks really cute. Just look how cute it looks holding my mug. Like, isn't that so cute? I'm obsessed. I look crazy. I have my heatless curlers thing on. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna read a bit more of this. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, doing some cozy fall activities. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.